Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement an alert in a SwiftUI project. And so if you're following along from where I left off my last video, I'm going to add this to this button in the form that I created. However, it's not necessary that if you're here just to learn how to do the alert, you don't have to worry about this. You could just start from a new project and you have your hello world in a VStack probably, and you could just add this button to it because it is probably necessary to have something that you click that triggers the alert. And so we're going to just use this button as an example. So yeah, here I'm gonna copy and paste a little code and just show you how this works. And so you would add it to the end of this button. And let me go over what's going on here. Pull this in a little bit. So I'm getting an error because there is a variable that I'm going to have to create that triggers this, a Boolean variable. But before I add that, let me just kind of go over here. So you put .alert at the end of our button here. And then there's kind of four parts to this. The first part is what is going to trigger the alert, and it gets presented when this is true. We'll create that variable in a moment, don't worry. And then the second part is the alert title. You can put whatever you want in there. I just have form submitted. And then what is the message? I'm actually, if you're not going to use this form with your alert example, don't put in these fields, but I have a couple variables in here, and when they put in the information in these fields, it'll actually show up in here. It says thanks, we'll be in contact soon, and contact you at that email address. And then the fourth thing and last is your dismiss button, and you literally just by default would put up an OK, then you click and the alert will go away. All right, so let's look at that variable that I was talking about. So we're going to create one of these right here. And what did I have it calling? Showing alert. So we're going to say showing alert, and it's going to be, actually we can leave that. It's going to be Boolean, bool, and we'll have it set to false to start out with, and then right here we'll use showing alert equals true, and that should be all we need to do. Let's go ahead and hit our run the emulator. So we'll pop open, and I'll just put Tim at AOL.com plus, and you see, thanks Tim, we will be in contact soon at Tim at AOL.com. Perfect. And I just hit OK, and we're good there. So it's pretty easy, as you see, to implement an alert, and pretty useful, and kind of looks professional. So I hope that you appreciate that. Let me know if you have any questions.